Hello everyone, welcome to Summon 2. Welcome to part 3 of the hiace 2010, 12, 13, 14 frame cars. Very easy. Will be alright. Last video we did the rocker cover, stop all the leak and good for the boy. And now we got the extreme duty front bearing hubs. We replaced 2 of them. This side even worse. And we have to take up and replace them. If anyone out there have the car and you have any trouble, you can see what Simon do, and we'll try to save some money for you before you go to the mechanic shop. So before they cut your arm and legs off, so better do what Simon do, and we'll save you. Okay, full front bearing set. When you buy, it's supposed to be brand new like this. They can build in everything. You don't have to touch it, okay? Just buy the whole hubs, wax it on, and it's 6 start. It's for heavy duty. Don't mucking around with it. Just buy a new one and wax it on, and we'll be right, okay? So either side, left or right, doesn't matter. But we buy 1 pair of shoes. We don't buy 1 shoes. So replace them on, and we'll be alright. This is heavy duty. I believe in there it was the genuine one. Never been replaced, but the car done so many cases for the age, the years, and working daily. So we need something really safe and really new. So don't be dodgy, okay? Don't be dodgy. Before let you notice why we have to replace the bearing. You can hear. You can hear. The faster you go, the more noise you get. Easy as that, okay? Take up the brake caliper, brake drums. See, the pad's still good. See, nothing wrong with the pad. Still high. See this one, all right. But this one, the noisy. You can do many lazy way if you want. Don't take this one off. Take that 2-man bolt number 17 behind this one. Remove the whole drums caliber out and enter the 4 bolt behind. You can wax the whole lot out. Keep the dish, okay? Keep the dish. Always save your energy for something else. So don't waste your energy. When you get old like me, you will really love your energy. So energy saver, mate. This one will help you, okay? 17. Like, let's see. Yeah, I did the wrong one here. They're all 17, okay? One there, one there. Energy saver. This one could do anything. I love it. Here we go. Okay, 2 bolt. That means the 2 caliber out the same shit. Put them away and then stack it out like this. And inspection the pad. See, I told you the disc pad is still good. Nothing wrong with the front pad. See, still good. Okay, nothing wrong with that brakes. The key is 4 here. So I got 1 loose, and this one. Oh, energy saver. Okay, energy saver. Do as you wish, man. Do as you wish. Okay. 1, 2. And 3. That's it. And 4. Okay, done. All 4 out. See, all come out very easily. No hassle, man. Very easy. This is most easy car to replace the front wheel bearings. Been long time. See the metal here. It's been too much rust, so I make hammer. It wouldn't work. So what I can do is mallet hammer. Don't make any kink. Don't hit on the dish. Hit here. I use my brake expansion, make a bit of expand like this, and I can do is knocking hammer and got some force if I push it out. Okay, slowly crack out here. You see, slowly crack out. Get the greaser spray in here. Hopefully this will work on here, and I'll be happy. Okay, I may get the brakes opener. Go in here. I like this one. Can turn on more if I want. Second try is put the bolt back on and not too far deep in. Go deep like you got to be 5 mil left like that on any sides, and then we try to knock it out slowly if we could. Okay, like cut the gap here open. See it come out. See the rust. See it come up slowly like this side. Like that, and we lift up this one. It come up, see? Rolling now, it's come up. And we spray more in, okay? So we do it slowly, don't hurry, don't rush, and enjoy. See it will come out, baby. See it will come out, okay? Then go out slowly. Come out slowly, okay? No question. Okay, when you all come up, keep the dish put on. Oh, I'm happy, I'm happy. Long last the king is coming out, and here all the bearing broken. And this one is newer. This one got the ABS, and this one have no ABS, but doesn't matter at all. But what we do is please clean up this one and get all the rust out and spray this one on. Or you will love someone, you put a bit of grease and you love someone else, okay? I will winning, and look at here. You can hear the bearing. That's where the noise from. Okay. Now take off this one. 14. Take it all up like this to remove the rust. Okay. And get myself number 14. Knock it off. And lift up the bearings and see it slide. It's got the group to get out. Got a little group to get out. Got a little group to get out. Got a little group to get out. You have to get in the right way. There we go. Now we got one way going. Okay. 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 Like that. Now throw this one out. And put this new one on. Go like that. Same way. Same with the other side. And now we have to tingle. Only this one side go. It's hard to get in. Tingle. Tingle in the hole. Okay. Tingle, tingle. Tingle, tingle. Tingle, tingle, tingle. Tingle, tingle. The wrong way. Tingle, tingle. Tingle the long way first. Tingle. Tingle. Tingle wrong one. Long ones and long ones. And in. That's it. Tingle him. And he should be in. Okay. I would do is get Loctite. Better put Loctite in. Okay. I don't want any movement, man. I want Loctite. Okay. Me with the Loctite now. Let's see. Okay. Tie them on. One more. Okay, done. What I do is turn all in by hand. One. Done. Okay, now what I do is quickly bring it up here. Bring it in. And I got my beautiful front dish. And I need this one. Now the top. Like that. Top nuts. Top line. Like this. See how it's online, and now you can top bolt them on very lightly, and that's it. You can have your brake done. I go pick up my daughter. All tied on, and this is how it should be. No noise at all. And this one, noisy, terrible. Okay, put the brake back and go and have my breakfast. This will do the job. This will do the tricks, okay? Okay, this will do the tricks. Okay. Okay, that will do. Don't have to be too much shell. And go in here. Yes. Okay. And number 17. Kaboom. Okay, I'm very hungry. That's why I don't do nothing good now, because so hungry. Okay, one here and one the bottom one, top one, and that's it. And that's it. And that's it. So easy, lazy job. Leave it the whole lot. Number 17 and pull it out and did it how it's supposed to be. Okay, and noise is from there. And when you drive, should be 100% good, and no more noise from there. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching Simon Tools. It's hot and humidity now, so better pack up and go sleep. Okay, see ya.